If at any point today you look at me and you're like, hey, your eyebrow's pretty swollen, what's going on there? Well, yesterday around 3 o'clock, it just got to the point where it was like, I've had enough. I've had enough of this. I'm taking over your whole face. I'm tired of being this tiny little piece on your face. I want the whole thing. The whole thing or nothing. No, I got a cyst under my eyebrow. I'm going to a doctor today. I was actually already going to a dermatologist today, and now I'm really, really going to a dermatologist. Help me, please help me. We're dripping, we're dripping, we're dripping. My light switch has this fun thing where I have to turn it on 3 times for it to work. Well, now maybe it's none. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What are you doing? Okay, what used to be, it just worked. Maybe it finally bit the dust. I believe in you. Just give me light for a little longer. I won't turn you off, I'll keep you on. Can you do that for me? I can't fix you myself, but I know a really tall guy that can fix you. Can you just wait for like 1 day? Please? Please. Just work one more time for me. I won't ever ask anything of you ever again. What if I turn your friend on? Maybe you just feel lonely. Maybe you need a friend. There you go. That works. Ready? They're on. This is everything I've ever been preparing for in my entire life. You know when you're a kid and you swear if you just like looked at something long enough, you might see it move? That's what I'm doing with this light right now. And I think it's gonna work. I think it's gonna work because I'm delusional. I'm gonna picture it working. Come on. I look like a crazy person right now. Maybe it needs to warm up. I'll just leave it on. All right, like I was saying, I don't know what I was saying. So 12:30, that's when my doctor's appointment is. We're back, guys. I missed you. Bring it in, let's have a hug. I missed you so much. All right. My name is Elise and I have an appointment with you guys. I got a text basically saying to fill out the patient portal information before I got there. Is it possible if I fill it out when I get there? Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. All right, bye. I was a little nervous because the email I got sent looked very spammy. I got in so quick. None of that is inherently very weird. All of it together is a little weird. I was like, I just don't want to be filling my medical information out in a portal I've never seen from a no reply email. I'm really glad I did that. I feel better now. I got a little nervous. I did all my research on Reddit. You're hearing that and you're like, yeah, you should be nervous. It was Reddit. I get all of my really good recommendations on Reddit for Omaha stuff. So I just was trying to find the best dermatologist in Omaha. Okay, great. I feel better. Why am I so stressed about this? Anyways, the swelling's gone down a little bit. I've been icing it. I don't look like I'm having an anaphylactic reaction to anything. That's the scary part, is because I used to be anaphylactic, have a severe peanut allergy. I grew into it in puberty. I grew out of it when I was engaged around 22-ish. Very crazy. Anytime I have any kind of like reaction, I just really, my whole body tenses up because I know what it feels like for your throat to close. So the fact that it's gone down, I'm like, okay, you're not gonna die. I'm like shaking. You can't really see, but great. Okay, I feel better. There's so many things I feel better about right now. What? Oh my God. Oh my God. I was trying to just show you some packages because I'm gonna open up packages, and this is just sitting on the top of them, and it looks like this dude just broke into my office and was like, sorry I missed you. I've been in your house. Whoever came and got my mail at the studio ended up just putting it there to be funny. Who are you? I know what this is and I can't emotionally handle this first, so I'm gonna save that because I can't. What is this? Oh, Maybelline. Cute. I love when people send me my size. They're not like, I'm gonna send her the size that I think she wears. I'm gonna send her the size that she wants to wear. I appreciate that from people. Okay, I have a big old box over here. Ooh, I'm excited. Duncan! What is this? What are you? Shut up. What is this? Is this a little sweater? Stop. Stop it. Someone made this. Someone crocheted this. Stop it right now. This is so cool. I cannot believe this is real. Oh my God. Oh my, first I want to look at it. Hold on. Oh my God. The donuts on the boobs are killing me. Oh my God. This is so cool. I need to know who made this. They probably commissioned someone to make this. Fun yarns. Look at this, every single thing on this was crocheted. These are little single crochets all around. I've never wanted to learn how to crochet a donut more in my life. This might be the coolest thing ever. Oh, I'm obsessed. It fits so well. It like really fits so well. Oh my God. That's something I want to like hang up. Okay, let me put my sweatshirt back on. Also, I appreciate how minimal they used of this stuff. Usually people will pack their boxes with that and then I just spend an hour cleaning it up. So I appreciate that's all you used. Let's go back in there. I've never been good at folding, so I just stopped trying. That's why I just hang everything now. I know what I'm good at and I know what I'm not. A little gift card. Wow. How did I get so lucky? What is happening? Oh, I think these are from Blippi. I think they're little kid shoes from Blippi. Oh my gosh. They're little Reeboks and they have Blippi on them. So cute. I think it says they light up. I felt like they would, but maybe the batteries did. Maybe I'm lying. It said lights up, but I think maybe not. Step and flash. Okay, maybe I have to pull a tab. No, that's not how shoes work. I'm really committed to trying to see how these light up. Flash. Okay, you don't flash. I still love them. I cannot wait to show them. They're gonna love these. If this is a case of classic Coca-Cola Zevias, I'm gonna lose my mind. And I know it is because my mom accidentally just keeps sending these to my office. My mom accidentally sent Zevias to my office. Coca-Cola shouldn't look like that. Oh, it came out of my nose. Oh, that didn't feel good at all. Oh my God. Okay, would you look at that? I hate these sodas so much. It'd be one thing if I was like, oh yeah, an accidental case of Zevias. I love those things. But unfortunately, I really don't. Nothing against Zevia. I'm not saying I'm like the picture of like a tastemaker. They're just not for me. I'm not trying to yuck someone else's yum. That's just how it goes. Mom, please. I don't want to keep stealing your Zevias from you. But it is quite funny. This one, I know what's in here and I've been waiting to open it because emotionally, it's a lot. You know when something's so good, you just run away from it. Take a sip. The author of the King of Wrath series. What is happening? Okay, I just need you to understand the reason I'm reacting this way is because I knew that Anna would be sending me a gift. I had absolutely no idea it was going to be that beautiful. She reached out to my team and was like, would Elise like a signed copy of King of Wrath? And I'm like,
yeah, absolutely, I would. I would love that so much.
Thinking it would look exactly like the copy I already have. And that's amazing because the copy I already have definitely doesn't have a signature from Anna Huang in it, so I want that so badly. So then she sends the most beautiful book I've ever owned in my life. That's why I'm acting that surprised. I just needed you to know that. Okay. Hold on. Her writing would be this. The most elegant, like maybe finding something from 1,000 years ago, but also it could have been today. Elise, I hope you enjoy this special edition of King of Wrath and congrats on your upcoming book. I can't wait to read it. XO, Anna Huang. This is the most beautiful thing my eyeballs have ever seen. It's like illustrated. Oh my God. Oh my God, this is like art. Oh my God. This is the most beautiful book I've ever owned. Can't believe I own it. I'm so confused. I didn't even know books could be this pretty. I need a second. Well, that does it. I've got to read it again now, I guess. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. I have never seen a book look like this before. The only reference I have for something that looks like this is when somebody recovered and rebound Bridgerton, that they made that like, they personally did it themselves. The author of Bridgerton, Julie something. Close, but not really. Julia Quinn. kind of reposted it and then made like a special edition, and I saw it when I was in New York at the Ripped Bodice, like a romantic novel bookstore, like a bookstore just for romance novels, it was so beautiful. Like I've never owned anything like this. Like the cover, look how beautiful this is. Your signature to Elise. Oh my god. Oh my god. I love when an author signs their book. It's like every book should be signed. Every single book that has ever existed should be signed. You just made that art. I sign all my art. I sign art that shouldn't be signed. Little canvases that only I'm ever gonna own that are like this big and are of a donut. And I'm like, yep, I made that. I'm gonna sign it and date it because it's art. So like a signed book is so special. It makes me so happy. Thank you, Anna. This is like such a special gift. Wow. Whoa, what an adventure that was, guys. All right, let me go clean this stuff up and then we gotta get going so I'm not late. So I can fill out all that paperwork when I get there. Let's go to a skin doctor. Okay, I should get going. Let's go fix our skin at a doctor's office. Honestly, I'm so excited for this. This has been like a really long time coming. I've been wanting to go and just figure out what's going on with my skin for so long. I never got acne as a kid, and I didn't understand how deeply like emotional it can be. First thing people see is open wounds on your face, and just it's up to chance whether it's going to be in an important day or not. Like that's never something I ever considered. That kind of rocked my world a little bit. Not a lot. I'm not trying to be like dramatic about this. It did change a lot for me, and then I found some things that worked and then some things that didn't, and then I found out my skin is incredibly sensitive. So everything I would try ended up giving me a chemical burn, which was great. There's nothing worse than having a face full of acne and a chemical burn on top of that because you tried to fix it. So I'm just ready to kind of surrender over to somebody who knows exactly what they're doing, and I'm excited to not have to know anymore. Just like, please take this off my plate and please help me. I'm excited. Okay, I figured it out. We got some answers, people. I don't have acne, I've got staph infection on my face. That makes me feel so disgusting about my face. Like, oh my God, get it out. Also, I've been on my antibiotic for like a week now and my face is clearing up quite nicely. And also, my entire body isn't swollen anymore. I had no clue it was so swollen until I looked back on the footage of all of this and I'm like,
Wow, I don't look like I feel good.
and I didn't. So I'm feeling better. Great. Now that I've had that conversation with the doctor, it's all making sense to me.
All of this is making sense to me.
So anyways, I guess this is a very, very common situation. And I have just been treating it with the wrong things, which is why they're not working. So I'm very excited. Wow, that was a very successful trip to the doctors. Anyways, the place was awesome. I loved it so much. Everyone was really nice. The doctors were incredible. I got in really fast. They gave me an answer pretty much immediately. They weren't like trying to sell me on anything. And you're telling me it was this easy?
I could have fixed this years ago.
Very excited about that. I'm gonna get some snacks. I got the light to work. You weren't there to see it, but I got it to work. I told you I could get it to work. Well, electricity turned it on, but also my motivational words really got to it. It took some time, and then it thought about it, and then it turned on. That's so anticlimactic.